The Makita 9403 belt sander is a powerful and efficient tool that stands out in terms of performance, durability, and user-friendly features. This review highlights its key attributes, emphasizing the value of investing in a quality tool. One standout feature of the Makita 9403 is its low noise level, measuring at 84 decibels. This is a crucial factor for operator comfort, especially during extended use. The reduced noise level sets it apart from other sanders in its class, providing a quieter working environment. The 4 inches wide belt, operating at a speed of 1,640 feet per minute, ensures fast material removal. This feature makes the 9403 ideal for various applications, including woodworking, carpentry, furniture making, floor installation, deck building, and general contracting. The combination of power and speed is a key selling point for users who prioritize efficiency. The labyrinth construction is a thoughtful design element that seals and protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris. This not only contributes to the tool's longevity but also minimizes the need for frequent maintenance. The innovative design, allowing sanding flush to the wall with the nose and side of the sander, adds versatility to the tool's applications. Operator comfort is further addressed with a large front grip, strategically positioned for control and ease of use. The easy lever control for changing belts simplifies the maintenance process, while the replaceable ceramic wear plate reduces downtime. The sander's low profile provides a solid balance and helps prevent gouging during operation. The efficient dust collector is another notable feature, ensuring that the workspace remains clean and the grid is effectively contained. This is a valuable addition for users who prioritize a tidy working environment. The review concludes with a testimonial from a satisfied user who initially considered cheaper alternatives but ultimately chose the Makita 9403. The user emphasizes the adage, "You get what you pay for," and expresses satisfaction with the performance, job quality, and the expectation of long-term durability. The acknowledgement of the tool's worth and the decision to prioritize quality over cost serves as a strong endorsement for the Makita brand. The review also provides a balanced perspective by noting the tool's weight as a potential drawback. However, the weight is framed positively as it aids in the sanding process by reducing the need for additional pressure. In summary, the Makita 9403 belt sander impresses with its powerful and efficient performance, durability-enhancing features, and thoughtful design elements that prioritize user comfort and ease of use. The user testimonial further reinforces the brand's reputation for reliability and quality.